Okay, so video is about subacute sclerosing panencephalitis, and this is going to be pretty short. There's only a few points on here, but this is a after effect of measles. So we can call this measles, which rubeola measles, not German measles. I'm going to call this rubeola measles part 2. All right, and the reason for that is because we mentioned in the measles video that measles could actually get to the brain. So that's what's going to happen here. This is a neurological condition. Neurological means it's going to affect the nervous system. And this is going to take a while to occur. That occurs 1 to 10 years after someone has recovered from measles. Okay, so we mentioned before that people who or measles gets into the bloodstream, and this is one of the times that can happen. Okay, this is going to affect men. It affects men more than women. Okay, and then there's neurological symptoms such as you may get seizures, you may get passing out, there may be speech impediments, blindness, things such as that. So paralysis, so because it's a neurological condition, right? So the neurological symptoms can lead to death within a few years. I'll put symptoms. I could have put disorders, and then I put syndrome. So symptoms leads to death. Within a few years. And I should explain the name of this. Within a few years. I should explain the name of this again. We said subacute. I'm going to leave this. Okay, so just give you a second to write this down. So it's subacute. So what does subacute mean? In subacute, we mean it takes a while to come on. Acute means it happens right away. Subacute is going to take a while. So it takes a while to come on. And as you saw here, it was 1 to 10 years. I'm going to put for symptoms to occur. Okay? Then we said sclerosing. Sclerosing is like scarring or harden. All right, so basically we're going to have neurological cells are damaged and almost like scar tissue occurs, okay? So sclerosing usually means there's hardening of something. This is not really a great term, but to make it easy, we're just going to say there's a hardening of nerves. It's almost like when you hurt your skin or you cut your skin and you get scar tissue. Sclerosing is just going to be like a hardness in there. All right, then panencephalitis. Pan means all over. Pandemic, right? So pan means all over, and encephalitis is inflammation of the brain. So basically what we have, subacute sclerosing panencephalitis. So we get encephalitis. This is inflammation of the brain. And due to the inflammation, the nerve cells are damaged, so they become hardened. And this takes a while to come on. That's why it's subacute, inflammation of the brain. And that is subacute sclerosing panencephalitis.